Hi Craig, wanted to show you the functionality for multiple exhibits, how we can add it. So let me go to this job 205528. This is one of the job that is there. Now when I go on this page, the inventory, client inventory, these all are gray, which means currently they are not there. So first let me click on client inventory. So it brings me to this page. Let me click on exhibits. So this is the exhibit page that is there. So here, as we can see, we have multiple quantity that is there. So this is the total quantity and this is the available quantity, just like everywhere else. So let me go ahead and select some of the exhibits and go forward. So this one and this one has graphics in it, and these two don't have graphics. So let me take two quantity of this, and let me take one quantity of this, and again let me take two quantity of these, and let me go to the next page. So when I go on the next page, it takes me to this screen wherein it asks me to select the graphics. Now let me go ahead and select the graphic. So this is the second one. Let me add some consumables also. Let me take two of these and five of these. And I'll skip this accessories. Uh, I'll save inventory for this job. Okay, so it says inventory has been saved. Now let me go back to the job. So now these have turned blue. Let me click here, it will take me to my shopping cart page. And here we can see, since we had selected three exhibits, so this was the first one, second one, third one. This one didn't have graphics, and it is also capturing the quantity here. I took two of this, one of these and two of these. So it is showing me here. Accessories were not there, and the consumables. Let me go back to the job, and let us see the client inventory PDF. So the PDF should also have those multiple exhibits. So here they are, three of them, two, one, two, accessories, and then consumables. So this is done. Now we have implemented the same for rental inventory also. So let me go ahead and click on rental inventory. Again, this will come as blank. So let me click on exhibits, and let me take two of these, two of these, and two of these. Let's go to the next page. So this one has graphics. Let me select them. The other two didn't have graphics, so it came out. Let me select some consumables in this also. So it says inventory save for the job. Let me go back. Let's see the rental inventory shopping cart page. So here it is showing me the three exhibits that were there. This one had graphic, these two didn't had graphics, so it is showing the quantity. I chose two for all three of them. No accessories were selected, and then it is showing the consumables. Let me go back to the job, and let's see the rental inventory PDF also. So this is my PDF. Again, all three exhibits are showing with their quantities, and my consumables are also showing. So with this, we have done multiple exhibits and multiple quantity at the EP2 level, as in when we log in as a Skyline. Now we are implementing the same in the client module, wherein once we log in as a client, we'll be able to see multiple exhibits and we'll be able to add multiple quantities to it. So that is what we are working on, which should be done by this week. So either by this weekend or by latest by Monday, I'll send you a video for that also. But if you have any feedback in this video, then please share it with us so that we can implement the same. Thank you.